business in the cloud. Research questions on governance, audit, and assurance. Background of the topic. This research paper examined the governance, audit, and the assurance aspect of cloud computing service. It explores the increasing adoption of cloud computing in organization and uh, focuses on the challenges and consideration related to managing and auditing cloud-based system. Uh, Now you can see authors and uh, their universities concept included in the article. The research paper on governance, audit, and assurance in cloud computing explores several key concepts. Some of the concepts discussed in the article may include cloud computing. The paper explores the concept of cloud computing, which refers to the delivery of computing resources and services over the internet. It examines the benefit and challenges associated with the adopting cloud-based system. Governance. It discusses how organization can establish effective governance frameworks to ensure the proper management, control, and compliance of their cloud-based systems. Audit. It explores how auditors can assess the risk, controls, and compliance aspect of cloud services to provide assurance to organization and stakeholders. Assurance. It discusses how organization can obtain assurance regarding the security, privacy, availability, and reliability of their cloud service. Risk management. It discusses the identification, assessment, and mitigation of risk specific to cloud-based systems. Concept included in the article: compliance and regularity requirements. The article addresses the compliance and regulatory challenges that organizations face when adopting cloud computing services. Service level agreement. It examines the key elements of SLAs, including performance metrics, data protection and service availability, security and privacy. The article addresses the security and privacy considerations in cloud computing. It discusses the protection of data, access controls, encryption, and the implications of data breaches of unauthorized accesses. Methodology, literature review. The research likely conducted a comprehensive review of existing literature on cloud computing, governance, audit, and assurance. This would involve analyzing academic papers, industry reports, and relevant publications to gather insight and identify research gaps. Data collection. Depending on the research objectives, the researchers have collected data through various means. This could involve surveys, interviews, case studies or analysis of real-world examples to gather empirical evidence and practical insights. Analysis. The collected data would then be analyzed using appropriate qualitative and quantitative techniques. This include them, thematic analysis, content analysis, statistical analysis, or comparative analysis, among other, to identify patterns, themes, and relationship relevant to the research questions. Framework development. Based on the analysis, the researchers have developed a concept to guide their understanding of governance, audit and assurance in cloud computing. This framework help organizing the findings and provide the structure for further analysis and discussion. Finding and discussion. The researchers would present their findings based on analysis of the collected data. They would discuss the implication of the findings in relation on the research questions, highlights, and notable trend or insights, and provide recommendation or suggestion for future research or practice. Validation and pre-review. The research paper went through a process of validation and peer review, where experts in the field critically evaluate the methodology, analysis, and findings. This ensures the quality and rigor of the research. Findings of the research. This paper highlights the need for research on the governance and assurance aspect of cloud computing. The transaction to cloud computing introduced new governance challenges and potential risks. Corporate governance bodies may not fully comprehend the risk associated with cloud computing. Research is necessary to explore how governance responsibilities can be shared with cloud providers and to understand the implications of the layered nature of cloud-based IT infrastructure. The paper described the cloud computing ecosystem as an ecosystem due to the increased degree of shared governance and operational interdependence. The auditor role is essential in examining the relationship between the client service user and cloud service provider. In summary, the paper calls for further research in cloud computing, emphasizing governance, risk management, and cloud audit and assurance, understanding the complex dynamics and share the responsibility within cloud ecosystem is circle for effective governance and ensuring compliance with regulation and standards. Thank you.